Good morning, my dear students. In Numbers and Numeration, Part.3 session, we are going to revise about forming numbers, rounding numbers, and Roman numerals. We have already learnt about this well. First, we will see about forming numbers. Forming number means using the given digits, we have to form smallest number or greatest number. How to form smallest number using the given digits? Yes, to form the smallest number, we have to arrange the given digits in ascending order. Ascending order means write the given digits small digit to big digit. Look at this example. Here 5 digits are given. 5, 9, 3, 1, 7. Arrange these 5 digits in ascending order. 1 less than 3 less than 5 less than 7 less than 9. So in ascending order, the given digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So the smallest number is 13,579. To form the greatest number using the given digits, arrange the digits in descending order. If we arrange the given digits in descending order, we will get the greatest number. Descending order means we have to arrange the given digits big digit to small digit. Let us take the digits 4, 2, 9, 7, 3. Here also 5 digits are given. First arrange these digits in descending order. 9 greater than 7 greater than 4 greater than 3 greater than 2. In descending order, the given digits is 9, 7, 4, 3, 2. So, the greatest number is 97,432. I hope, dears, now you are all clear about forming numbers. Next, we are going to see about rounding numbers. Rounding number means to make the number very easy to use in our day-to-day life. In rounding numbers, let us see rounding to the nearest tens, rounding to the nearest hundreds, and rounding to the nearest thousands. First, we will see about rounding to the nearest tens. In the given number, we have to see the ones place digit. If the ones place digit is less than 5, then replace the ones place digit by 0. If the ones place digit equal to 5 or greater than 5, then replace the ones place digit by 0 and increase the tens place digit by 1. Let us see this with the examples. First example, 72. In 72, the ones place digit is 2. 2 is less than 5. So, replace the ones place digit 2 as 0. So 72 is rounded off to 70. Second example, 738. In 738, the ones place digit is 8. 8 is greater than 5. If the ones place digit is greater than 5, then replace the ones place digit by 0 and increase the tens place digit by 1. So replace 8 by 0, 3 by 4. So 738 is rounded off to 740. Next, rounding to the nearest hundreds. Rounding to the nearest hundreds, we have to see the tens place digit. If the tens place digit is less than 5, then replace the tens place digit and ones place digit by 0. If tens place digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then replace the tens place digit and ones place digits by 0 and increase the hundreds place digit by 1. Let us see this with the examples. First example, 537. In 537, the tens place digit is 3. 3 is less than 5. So replace the tens place digit and ones place digit by 0. Here the tens place digit is 3, ones place digit is 7. So we have to make 3 and 7 as 0. So 537 is rounded off to 500. Second example, 4785. Here in this number, the tens place digit is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So replace the tens place digit and ones place digits by 0. So the numbers 8 and 5 we have to replace by 0 and we have to increase the hundreds place digit by 1. Here the hundreds place digit is 7. So we have to replace 7 by 8. So 4785 is rounded off to 4800. Next, rounding to the nearest thousands. For rounding to the nearest thousands, we have to see the hundreds place digit. If the hundreds place digit is less than 5, then we have to replace hundreds, tens and ones place digits by 0. If the hundreds place digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then replace the hundreds, tens and ones place digit by 0 and increase the thousands place digit by 1. Look at these examples. First example, 7298. In 7298, hundreds place digit is 2. 2 is less than 5. So, we have to make the hundreds, tens and ones place digit as 0. So, 7298 is rounded off to 7000. Next, second example, 58,569. In 58,569, the hundreds place digit is 5. 5 is equal to 5. Then we have to replace hundreds place digit, tens place digit and ones place digit as 0. And we have to increase the thousands place digit 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1, 9. So, the answer is 58,569 is rounded off to 59,000. Roman numerals. Roman numerals are 7 symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These 7 symbols are the Roman symbols. Roman numerals we are using in clock and mention the class in school. Look at this table. Roman numeral I is equal to Hindu Arabic numeral 1. Roman numeral V is equal to Hindu Arabic numeral 5. Roman X is equal to numeral 10. Roman L is equal to numeral 50. Roman C is equal to numeral 100. Roman D is equal to numeral 500. Roman M is equal to numeral 1000. Few rules are there to write Roman numerals. Rule number 1. Roman symbols I, X and C we can use up to 3 times in a number. Symbols V, L and D cannot be repeated. Examples: ASM, I. Roman I is equal to numeral 1. So, 1 plus 1 plus 1 which is equal to 3. BSum, X. Roman X is equal to numeral 10. So, 10 plus 10 plus 10 which is equal to 30. Rule 2. Roman numeral of smaller value comes right of the Roman numeral of greater value. Then we can add both the smaller value and greater value of Roman numeral. Examples: ASum, V, I. V is greater value of Roman numeral compared to I. I is right side of V. So, we can add the values 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 8. B sum LXV. Compared to L and X, L is greater value, X is smaller value. Next, compared to X and V, X is greater value, V is smaller value. Here, the smaller value comes right side of greater value. So, we can add the value of, the value of L is 50, value of X is 10, value of V is 5. So, 50 plus 10 plus 5, which is equal to 65. Rule number 3. Roman numeral of smaller value comes left of the Roman numeral of greater value, then subtract the smaller value from the greater value. Examples: A sum I, V. Compared to I and V, I is smaller value. It comes left side of the greater value. So, V minus I. Value of V is 5. Value of I is 1. So, 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. B sum X, C. Compared to X and C, X is smaller value, C is greater value. X, it comes left side of greater value C. So, C minus X. Value of C is 100. Value of X is 10. So, 100 minus 10, which is equal to 90. Rule number 4. Roman numeral smaller value comes between two Roman numerals of greater values. This smaller value always subtract from the right side greater value. Examples: A sum X, I, V. Here I is present between two greater values. The right side of I is V. Subtract the value of I from the value of V. So, 10 plus 5 minus 1, which is equal to 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. B sum X, I, X. Here I is present between two greater values X. The right side of I is X. So, subtract I from X. So, X plus X plus X minus I. The value of X is 10. Value of I is 1. So, 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1. 10 plus 10 plus 9, which is equal to 29. I hope students you have understand well about rounding numbers and Roman numerals. In next session, I will ask questions in numbers and numeration. Get ready for that. We'll give worksheet also. Next, classwork. Factors. Definition of factor. Facts about factors. fact 3 and 4, facts 5 and 6, fact 7, and the definition of common factors. Next, exercise 3, first question, C sum, second question, B sum, fourth question, C sum. Copy this in your math note. Thank you, students.